Hi and welcome to my channel. It's chicken day today and we're prepping some chicken wings in an air fryer. When it comes to chicken, I rather eat the wings and not the rest of the chicken. This so I can at least chew the bones, which I enjoy eating. So let's chat while we cook. I pretend you're right in front of me, so I tell you a little story. So I do have a tiny channel, which I'm very aware. But in one of my videos, I did mention that I am on a wellness journey. And thank God I still remain on this journey. It's basically a low carb diet, and it has been helping me so much. And it's more, I eat more protein, fat, and very little carbs. And I could tell you the results has been outstanding. Like I did mention, I don't really like chicken. But occasionally I would eat chickens and mainly the wings. But in order to eat it, it needs to be tasty. So this is what we're going to do today. And the key to making it tasty is the spices you use. You can use any spice of your choice. I'm going to be melting some butter and then adding some spices into it. I would make a list of the spices with the measurements right here on the screen. I got a question. Is anyone on a wellness journey? Is it keto, carnivore, low carb, plant based, or whichever journey you're on? It'll be nice if you do share. So all I'm going to do now is mix this up nicely, coat the chicken, and then place it in an air fryer. If you're watching during the holiday seasons, enjoy your holiday. This recipe is pretty simple and you could have this as a snack or as a main meal if you're just eating proteins and fats. Really, I would be placing this, like I mentioned, in the air fryer at 180 degree for 20 minutes. Of course, you need to flip it in between times and then you enjoy your snack or meal, really. Thank Enjoy and thank you for watching. Do let me know what I could do on this channel. What I'm hoping to do is to share my recipes while I'm on this journey and keep cooking, really. Um, I guess the most important thing is what you guys want. Bearing in mind it's a tiny, winny channel, but we'll see what direction it goes. The direction depends on your demands.